You never know whether something bad happening with you, you still can help somebody else's life. I grew up in the church, so I believe in testimonies and stuff. That's my testimony. So for me to pass that on to somebody that's going through it, I'd probably do that a million times if I could. I opened a snack shack a year before I got sick. It felt weird. It was different. Like, it changed. Everything changed. Everything changed. I couldn't move around like I wanted to. Couldn't eat what I wanted to. I couldn't do what I wanted to. Didn't have the energy to do what I wanted to do. Like life completely stopped for a moment.
You guys will know him as Kevin Boozer, but he's KB to me. He always has, always will be. I actually started him in the hospital when he first started on dialysis. I was his nurse the first treatment.
When I met Tiffany, she was real nice, and I called her Mama Bear sometimes. She felt like my mama, she would fuss at me. She would congratulate me, whatever I needed, that's what she done.
He was introduced to home therapies and decided to give PD a try. So he did PD for 3 or 4 years. His peritoneum was failing, and he came out of seeing the doctor one day, and he said, "I think I'm gonna have to go home on hospice." I said, no. I said, "You're gonna come to me for 5 days a week for 2 weeks and give me 3 hours a day."
She knew what I was kind of going through, so I couldn't do nothing but listen to her. She was really focused on being a nurse, but she also showed the patient what they needed to see, what they needed to feel.
I said, "I'm gonna have you ready to go over to Rome and train with Jack for HHD." Within 2 weeks, he was here.
When I started the home thing, I was scared of it. They taught me into doing that. But once I got started, they really made me feel comfortable with doing it. They make sure they teach you what you need to know. They make sure they show you what you need to know. It's scary, and they make you feel comfortable, and they make you realize that as long as somebody with you, won't nothing happen. I would like to tell anybody that's going through this, don't be afraid. Don't be scared to make changes. Once you learn more and you ask a lot of questions, you'll be better, and you'll feel more comfortable with a lot of things. Your life will turn around. It definitely will.